Dear students, here we discuss in differential equations. One part is that is Newton's law of cooling, law of natural growth or decay, rate of decay of radioactive material, concepts and problems. Here we discuss. Here, what is Newton's law of cooling? First one. Here, what is Newton's law of cooling? Newton's law of cooling. What is Newton's law of cooling? First statement. Here, statement is what? Rate of change of temperature. Temperature is proportional to difference of temperature of the body and that of surrounding temperature. This is the statement. Rate of change of temperature is proportional to the difference of temperature of the body and that of the surrounding temperature. Let you take temperature of the body. Temperature of the body you take as theta. Then surrounding temperature is theta 0 you take. Then what is the rate of change of the temperature is d theta by dt is proportional to the theta minus theta 0, difference of the body temperature and surrounding temperature. This is. So here this is Newton's law of cooling means temperature down. Means here this can be written as d theta by dt equal to minus k into this is theta minus theta 0. This is the differential equation. Then this differential equation, this is equation 1. This can be written as separate the variables. Then what is d theta by theta minus theta 0 equal to minus k into this is dt. We can write like this. After that we derivative integrating this one. This is separate variable form. So this is d theta by theta minus theta 0 equal to minus k into integral 1 dt plus c. We can write like this. So by integrating, this is log of theta minus theta 0 equal to minus k into integral 1 into dt as d plus c. So what is log of theta minus theta 0 equal to minus kt plus c? When theta e becomes theta 1. After here this is t equal to 0. T equal to 0 initial stage. Theta is theta 1. Then what is this one? So this can be written as here t equal to 0 means this will be 0. Then we can write here c equal to log of theta 1 minus theta 0. This constant is log of theta 1 minus theta 0. Then you observe here, this can be written as here by here you substitute this in equation 2. Let us do you take as this is equation 2. Then what we have to write? This is log of theta becomes theta 1 minus theta 0 equal to this is minus kt plus this is this is theta minus theta 0, then plus log of this is theta 1 minus theta 0. This value is c. Then you take this into this side, log of theta 1 theta minus theta 0 minus log of theta 1 minus theta 0 equal to minus kt. So by applying log rule, log a minus log b equal to log a by b. By applying this log rule here, then what we have to write? This log rule by applying. So we have to write as this is implies log of theta minus theta 0 by theta 1 minus theta 0 equal to minus kt. We know that definition of the logarithm when n equal to a power x implies log n base a equal to x. By using this formula, remove the logarithm. Then what is this one? Here theta minus theta 0 by theta 1 minus theta 0 equal to e power minus kt. Here base of the logarithm unknown means it is the e. Then we have to write this as theta minus theta 0 equal to theta 1 minus theta 0 into e power minus kt. Then theta equal to, you can take into this side, theta 0 plus theta 1 minus theta 0 e power minus kt is the, when we know the time and theta 1, then we have to find the theta, body of the temperature after t seconds. Okay, so this is the formula to find the temperature after t seconds. Here we have one more problem on Newton's law of cooling. Question number 1. A body is originally at 80 degrees centigrade and cools down to 60 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes. If the temperature of the air is 40 degrees centigrade, find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. Find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. We have to find. So this is the problem given. So in this one, what information is given? A body is originally at 80 degrees, theta equal to 80 degrees centigrade, and cools down to 60 degrees centigrade, and theta 1 equal to 60 degrees centigrade, and here this is t equal to 20 minutes. T is equal to what? 20 minutes. We know the formula d theta by dt is directly proportional to theta minus theta 0. From this, we have to write this is d theta by dt equal to minus k into theta minus theta 0. So, by variable separable form, d theta by theta minus theta 0 equal to minus k into dt, and we have to write this as integrate d theta by theta minus theta 0 equal to minus k into integral 1 dt, and we have to write this as integrating log of theta minus theta 0 equal to this is minus kt plus log c or c or c. Initially you observe here, initially when theta equal to 80 degrees centigrade, t equal to 0 initially. Then what is c equal to log of 80 degrees minus this is theta 0 is what? Theta 0 surrounding temperature of the air. Theta 0 equal to 40 degrees centigrade is given. So this is 40 degrees centigrade equal to log 40 degrees centigrade. C equal to what? Log 40 degree centigrade. Okay, all of you. That is the C value. Then this C value we have. Next, when we have to find when T equal to after 20 minutes. Okay, now theta 1 is equal to what? 60 degrees centigrade. Then log of, you have to find log of theta becomes 60 degrees minus, this is 60 degrees minus theta 0 is 40 degrees centigrade, 40 degrees centigrade equal to minus k into t value 20 seconds plus c, what is c value? Log 40 degrees centigrade, log 40. Okay, this is what? Log 20 equal to minus k into 20 plus log 40. You take into this side, log 20 minus log 40 equal to minus k into 20. Then this is in the form of log rule, that is log a minus log b. Log 20 by 40 equal to minus k into 20. This is 2 log 1 by 2 equal to minus k into 20. This can be written as this is log 2 power minus 1 equal to minus k into 20 minus log 2 equal to minus k into 20 minus k plus. Then what is the k value? From this we have to find the k value. We have to find the k value. Then here k equal to, what is k value? 1 by 20 into log 2 is the k value. We have to find after 40 minutes, we have to find temperature of the body, temperature. That is T equal to 40 minutes. Then you have to substitute in this one, that is in this one log of theta minus 40 equal to, what is k value? K value is 1 by 20 minus 1 by 20. 1 by 20 into log 2 into t after 40 minutes. This is 40 plus c. What is c value? C value is what? Log 40. Log 40. Here 22. This can be written as minus log 2 into 2, 4 plus log 40. Okay, so here log theta minus 40 equal to, this is log 40 by 4, this is 10. Okay, all of you. Both sides you remove the logarithm. This can be written as theta minus 40 equal to 10. Then theta equal to, you can take into this side, 40 plus 10 equal to 50 degrees centigrade. After 40 minutes, the temperature will become 50 degrees centigrade. Okay, all of you. That's all. This is the problem. Here, all of you see here, one more problem on Newton's law of cooling. If the temperature of a body is changing from 100 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade, 100 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade in 15 minutes, find when temperature will be 40 degrees. If the find when temperature will be 40 degrees means we have to find time. In previous problem, time is given, we have to find temperature of the body. If the temperature of air is 30 degrees centigrade, first you observe, all of you, here body temperature cools from 100 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade in 15 minutes. This is given, and also in 15 minutes is given, and temperature of the air theta 0 equal to 30 degrees is given. Okay, all. Then what is theta d theta by dt is directly proportional to what is theta minus theta 0. Implies this is d theta by dt is equal to minus k into theta minus theta 0, and d theta by theta minus theta 0 equal to minus k into dt can be written as log of theta minus theta 0 equal to minus k into t plus c. Okay, all of you. Then here initial condition, when t equal to 0, what is the temperature? It is cools from 100 degrees to 70 degrees, and theta equal to what? Theta equal to 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, so by applying these two conditions here, we have to find the c value, that is log of theta. Theta is what? 100. 100 minus 30 degrees. 30 equal to, this is t equal to 0. 0 into minus k 0 equal to c. C equal to log 70. C equal to what? Log 70. Then Again, you take this formula, that is log of theta minus theta 0 equal to minus kt plus c. Here theta is equal to what? Theta equal to this is 100 degrees to 70 degrees change from, means theta equal to 70 degrees centigrade and t equal to time taken 15 minutes. Then you have to substitute here log of this is 70 minus theta 0 30 equal to this is minus k into 15 plus c. C is here log 70. Okay, all of you. But what is this one? Log 40 minus you can take into this side log 70 equal to minus k into 15. Okay, all of you. So this can be written as by using log rule. Log A minus log B equal to log A by B. By using this rule from logarithm, then we have to write this as log 40 by 70 equal to minus k into 15. So what is k value? K equal to minus 1 by 15. 0, 0 cancel. Log 4 by 7. So here we know the c value, we know the k value, then you have to substitute in this one. This is the equation 1. Substitute in this one and theta equal to what? 40 degrees. When body temperature is 40 degrees, we don't know the value of T value. T is equal to what? And theta is equal to 40 degrees centigrade. Then we have to find by using this formula, equation 1. By using equation 1. So here log of what is theta? 40. 40 minus theta 0 30 equal to minus k into t. Here what is k value? K value minus here minus k into t plus c value. What is c value? Log 70. Log 70. This is what? Log 10 minus log 70 equal to minus k into t. This is log of 10 by 70 equal to minus k into t. This value here log 1 by 7 equal to minus kt. This is log 7 power minus 1 equal to minus kt. This can be written as minus log 7 equal to minus kt. Minus minus get plus. T equal to 1 by k into t equal to log 7. But what is k value? K value, we know the k value. Here k value is, what is k value? This is k value. This is k value. You can take upside. 1 by minus 1 by 15 log 4 by 7 into log 7. You have to write here, this is t equal to, so minus 15 into log 7 by 4. So into log 7 by denominator you can write minus log 7 by 4. Okay, all of we can change this one, power minus 1 we have to minus minus get plus, 15 into log 7 by log 7 by 4. Okay, so here what is the value of this one? By using logarithm we have to calculate the value of this one. So by using calc we have to calculate this value. So this value is 15 of this value is 3.48. 3.48. Finally this is 52.16. 52.16 when t equal to 52.16 and theta equal to 40 degree centigrade. Okay, all of you. So this is the solution of the problem.